Labor shortages are becoming commonplace in every industry. There is a growing need for increased productivity through automation in the service industry, as well as more optimized remote monitoring and maintenance in the manufacturing industry. Some issues involve people seeing and judging colors, and Omron's new color sensor finds color changes and differences. This color sensor illuminates white LED light, and it receives reflected light determined by the object's color. This sensor outputs the amount of red, green, and blue light received as voltage values. The RGB data for each cup is output using the I2C communication method. This compact built-in color sensor meets the needs of automation in various situations. In device maintenance, color sensors provide excellent functionality. For example, in a machine tool, lubricating oil deteriorates and can become the root cause of the malfunction. As the lubricating oil deteriorates, the color of the oil changes. However, visual inspection has the problem of delaying the timing of replacement due to personal judgment criteria and confirmation errors of maintenance personnel. The color sensor measures the color that changes as the lubricating oil deteriorates. The RGB output of degraded lubricant changes as shown on the graph. Therefore, by using this sensor, the deterioration degree of the oil can be grasped quantitatively, thus allowing right-time oil replacement. In addition, each device can be monitored remotely for more optimized maintenance. Using a color sensor allows for remote monitoring of the oil deterioration status of each device. In commercial beverage servers, automatic beverage selection is possible by identifying the color of the cup with a color sensor. It helps improve store operation efficiency and reduces waste loss due to button misoperation. Using a color sensor makes it possible to make the device multifunctional by setting the device operation for each color. This built-in color sensor can be used in a wide range of applications, depending on the customer's ideas. Please use it for improving added value to your equipment and devices.